Solved problems. Business mathematics. Solve word problems involving simple and compound interest, salary, wage and income, benefits and deductions, gross pay and net pay, organize, interpret and analyze data. Problem. The problems consist of 1 to 9 word problems on simple interest, compound interest, wage and salaries, net salary, gross salary and deductions, organize and interpretation of data and data analysis. Let us solve each problem one by one. Problem 1. Mike can purchase an iPhone 11 right away for 85,000 or in 1 month 90,000. Is it wise to put his 85,000 in a bank that pays 8% simple interest and then take it out after a month to purchase the device? Why? 1. Provide the given information necessary to solve the problem to show your complete solution. Answer the question. Is it wise to put his 85,000 in a bank before buying his phone? Why? Workings. Solution. Principal 85,000. Simple rate of interest 8% per annum. Period 1 month. Period in years 0.08333. Interest for 1 month is equal to 85,000 into 8% into 1 by 12. 566.67. Principal plus interest 85,000 plus 566.67. 85,566.67. So, if the option to purchase right straight away is taken, there is a saving of 90,000 minus 85,566.67. 4,433.33. Answer. It is not wise for Mike to put his 85,000 in a bank before buying his phone, as he has to pay more by 4,433. Problem 2. Sean offered to pay Andrew 45,500 immediately or 50,000 after 6 months to repay debt. Which offer should Andrew accept given his bank's simple interest rate is 5%? Explain. Provide the given information necessary to solve the problem. Show your complete solution. Answer the question. Which offer should Andrew accept given his bank's simple interest rate of 5%? Explain. Principal amount 45,500. Simple rate of interest 5% per annum. Period 6 months. Period in years 0.5. Interest 45,500 into 5% into 6 by 12 1,137.50. Principal plus interest 45,500 plus 1,137.50 46,637.50. Amount to be paid after 6 months 50,000. Saving 50,000 minus 46,637.50 3,362.50. Answer. The offer to pay 45,500 immediately has to be accepted, as Shagun can save 3,362.5 on this decision. Problem 3. If 82,000 is invested at 11% compounded quarterly for 3 years and 5 months, calculate the compound amount. Provide the given information necessary to solve the problem. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Principal 82,000. Compound rate of interest 11% per annum. Compounded quarterly. Period 3 years 5 months. Amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 into N. Amount is equal to A is equal to 82,000 into 1 plus 11 by 4 by 100 into 4 into 3. That is equal to the compound amount comes to 113,552.27. Problem 4. Leto promised to repay the loan 750,000 in full plus interest at a rate of 15% compounded monthly. How much does he need to pay after 7 years? Provide the given information necessary to solve the problem. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Principal 750,000. Compound rate of interest 15% per annum. Compounded monthly. Period 7 years. Amount is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 by 12 because it is compounded monthly into 12 into 7. amount is equal to 750,000 into 1 plus 15 by 12 by 100 into 12 into 7. Litho needs to pay after 7 years 2,129,334.75. Problem 5. John earns 65 per hour. John put in 8 hours a day for 5 days last week. Find out his weekly gross income. Identify the problem is salary or wage. Show your complete solution. Hourly rate 65. Hours of work in a day 8. Number of days in a week 5. Weekly gross salary of John, number of days into hours in a day into hourly rate 2600. Weekly gross salary of John is equal to 2600. It is wages as it is paid on hourly basis. Problem 6. John's weekly salary is 18,400. Every 2 weeks John gets compensated. Each payday, what is his gross pay? Identify if the problem is salary or wage. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Weekly salary 18,400. Assumed number of days in a week 5 days. Answer. John's gross pay for each payday is 18,400 by 5 3,680. It is paid bi-weekly, so it is a salary, not wages. Problem 7. Matthew receives a monthly salary of 35,000. How much does he earn per day if he works 8 hours per day or for a 20-day work month? Identify the problem is salary or wage. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Monthly salary 35,000. Number of days in a work month 20. Answer. Matthew's earnings per day is 35,000 by 20, 1,750. This is paid monthly, so it is a salary. Problem 8. Ben earns a monthly salary of 32,500. His monthly deductions are as follows. 1,300 for union dues, 3,120 for insurance premiums, and 6,500 for credit cooperative savings. 20% of gross income is taxed on income. Determine Ben's net salary. Calculate the total amount of benefits. Calculate total amount of deductions. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Monthly salary 32,500. Monthly deductions. Union dues 1,300. Insurance premium 3,120. Credit cooperative savings 6,500. 20% income tax 32,500 into 20%, 6,500. Total deductions 17,420. Answer. Net salary 32,500 minus 17,420, 15,080. Problem 9. Noni often puts in 30 hours a week for a pay rate of 67. Noni makes a weekly contribution of 30, 80 and 100 for various causes. After all other deductions are made, Noni is subject to a further 15% deduction. Determine Noni's weekly take-home salary. Calculate the total amount of deductions. Show your complete solution. Write your final answer. Number of hours in a week 30. Pay rate 67. Weekly gross salary 30 into 67 2010. Weekly contributions 30 plus 80 plus 100 210. Subtotal 1,800. Deduction 50% of 1,800 270. Answer. Noni's weekly take-home salary is equal to 2010 minus 210 minus 270 is equal to 1,530. Problem 10. Organize an interpretation of data. Complete the table, show your complete solution and final answer. The following are weekly deliveries made by Maria's Bake Shop over a period of 1 year. Complete the table below. Number of cases 5 and n is equal to number of items is equal to 42. They consist of 33, 23, 46, 33, 26, 43, 43, 41, 21, 39, 39, 38, 37, 37, 37, 36, 50, 35, 34, 45, 48, 20, 41, 29, 32, 31, 31, 27, 31, 21, 20, 31, 24, 30, 27, 29, 44, 30, 48, 28, 30, 20. Classes, frequency, cumulative frequency, percentage, cumulative percentage, total. Show your complete solution, accuracy of data in the table. Classes. We divide the classes into 5. 0, 10, 11, 20, 21, 30, 31, 40, 41, 50. Frequency. When we put the data in the classes, the frequencies will come 0 to 10, 0, 11 to 23, 21 to 30, 13, 31 to 40, 16, 41 to 50, 10. Total 42 numbers. Cumulative frequency 0, 3, 16, 32 and 42. Percentage 0%, 7.14%, 30.95%, 38.10%, 23.81%. All is complete 100%. Cumulative percentage in the first class 0%, second class up to second class 7.14, up to third class 38.10%, up to fourth class 76.19%, up to fifth class 100%. Problem 11. Data analysis. The bar graph below shows the data on the production of air conditioning units in thousands by three different companies over 4 years. Company A, Company B, Company C. Year 2012, 2013, 2014 and 2015. The graph consists of 0 to 14,000 units. Which year shows the largest difference between Company A and B? When we tabulate the data given above, year 2012, production of Company A 2000 units, production of B company in 2012 is equal to 5000, production of C in 2012 is 6000, production of A in 2013 is 3000, production of B in 2013 is 5000, production of C in 2013 is 8000, production of A in 2014 is 5000 units, production of B in 2014 is 10,000 units, production of C in 2014 is 9,000 units, production of A in 2015 is 9,000 units, production of B in 2015 is 11,000 units, production of C in 2015 is 12,000 units. Variation between A and B in 2012 is minus 3 units. Variation of 2013 between A and B is minus 2. Variation of 2014 A and B is minus 5. Variation in the year 2015 between A and B is minus 2. Total production in the year 2012 is 13. Total production in 2013 is by 3 companies 16. Total production in 2014 is 24. Total production in 2015 is 32. So now, which year shows the largest difference between companies A and B? The year 2014 shows the largest difference between companies A and B. What is the difference between the total production of the 3 companies in the years 15 and 2012? The difference between the total production of the 3 companies in the year 2015 and 2012 is 32 minus 13 is equal to 19 units. What is the conclusion can you infer from the data presented? Answer. To conclude, in the year 2015, all the 3 companies performed well. On a personal note, provide several reasons on why the 3 companies had a successful increase in the production of air conditioning units over 4 years. Answer. The reasons behind the successful increase in the production of air conditioning units over 4 years are: there might be additional investment in the business for the increase in production. There might be improvement in the marketing of the air conditioners by advertisements, discounts and other marketing strategies. The economics of bulk purchase and large scale buying might have encouraged for the increase in production. There might be higher demand for the air conditioners in the market. There might have been financing sources tapped which helped in the increase in the production by the companies. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.